this one is 15-ton per hour pallet machine for Poland customer. And this one is 10-ton control cabinet production line, and with a small premix line and silo systems. And this is 1 to 2-ton pallet machine. Behind this, that one is a pre-cleaner for the silo. You can see it's very big. And the next one, this one is 10-ton pallet machine. And this one is 15-ton per hour. This one 15-ton per hour. And all of these are 15-ton per hour for American customer. And this one is another 10-ton pallet machine, but with 2-layer conditioners. You can see 2-layer conditioners for poultry feed, fish feed, and even shrimp feed. And this one is 3 to 4-ton pallet machine, 1-layer conditioner.